Good afternoon, everyone. This is another segment of what did I find at the thrift store this week. Just a few little items and one perhaps largish one, but we'll go through the small ones first. Found another single little mason jar. It's the 8-ounce wide mouth, which I'm starting to see more and more of these, but a single one with lid and ring for 99 cents is not a bad deal. Next up, although they have a tremendous amount of crystal, I did buy this one little crystal candle holder. Once again, I do like to have various candle holders at home just in case I need them for something or other. This is a single. Most of the ones I have are matching sets, but that's fine. A single is also good on occasion. And just to have one around, it's a lovely shape, small, nice to hold. You know, I don't like these big chunky ones, so that's item number 2. And a fairly interesting piece is this. Now, I don't know why it's labeled Maryland, but it's Blue Deft. And what I assumed was a little blue vase. I liked it because it was the blue and white. It also has, sitting inside, a certificate of authenticity again, saying that it is hand painted, and a hallmark showing it to be a numbered piece. Now, I did look this up on the internet, and it turns out it's a tobacco jar. And here I thought it was a little vase, but of course I won't be using it as a tobacco jar because I no longer smoke, nor did I ever use loose tobacco of any kind. So it will probably be used as a vase. Put a few herbs in it, put a centerpiece on the table or something like that. But yes, I think I paid $3-4 for this. And on the internet, I believe it sells for around $20-30 US, maybe more. So yeah, interesting piece. A lot more interesting than I thought it was. But yes, the fact that it is numbered, I found really unusual. Numbered pottery is not something I've seen before. I've seen hallmarks, yes, but a numbered hallmark? No. So that's one of the more interesting pieces that I found recently. More interesting than I thought it would be. So, and the biggest item on the agenda today was a print. Now, normally I would not buy this type of print, but I did purchase another item that I thought was a brand new duvet, a wool duvet, and so I did buy it, and I put it in my car, and then when I put it in the trunk of my car, and when I drove away, I took my mask off, I noticed a smell that, what is that smell? And it turned out it was on my hands. So I did go back to the thrift shop and said, you know, I realized that this item, the smell had come from this duvet that I had bought, and it was, to me, it was a smell that I certainly would never be able to sleep with. It would make me ill. I have no idea what, like it was some sort of perfume or bottle of some scented something. And why it, you know, whether it just spilt in that duvet or somebody intentionally poured it in, I don't know. The duvet itself looked brand new. It was in a brand new bag. One of these cloth bags as well, a cotton cloth bag. It looked great, but I couldn't live with the smell, so I had to go back, and they would not give me my money back, but they were willing to give me a trade on something else in the store. And I walked around and round and round. For that particular day, there was really nothing else in there that I wanted. And, you know, that happens sometimes. You just don't find anything that you want. But in the end, I picked up comparable price, this little print. And it's a very pretty print by Lena Lu. It's also a numbered print, and it is White and Burgundy Roses is the name of it. And apparently this lady has done quite a number of these prints. She also has some of these floral arrangements on china, like you can buy her china with this print. And yeah, normally I would love china with that print. I don't know where I'll put this up. It really isn't my style of a print, but it was the closest thing to, in pricing, to what I had purchased there that I was willing to accept as an exchange. And it's also a numbered piece. I think it's $29.88 out of 3,000, so it's at the tail end of the numbering, but it is labeled and saying it's a certificate of authenticity by this lady. So it's a nice piece. It's just not necessarily my style. So whether I give it as a gift to somebody or find some place to hang it, I like more unusual prints rather than, as I say, I like my florals on china. But that is my thrift store shopping for this week, and hopefully next week I will find some china that has the floral prints I like. Anyway, this is Tony signing off, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.